The capstone study, titled Green Grain Hub, a microcontroller-based waste-to-rice dispenser, introduces an innovative solution to address environmental pollution and food security in Mabalacat City, Pampanga. Developed by information technology students at Mabalacat City College, the project aims to promote sustainable waste management by incentivizing the recycling of plastic bottles and aluminium cans with a staple food reward, rice. Introduction. The Green Grain Hub is a microcontroller-based reverse vending machine (RVM) designed to promote recycling in Mabalacat City, Pampanga. Its unique feature is that it dispenses rice, a staple food, as an incentive for users who deposit empty plastic bottles and aluminium cans. Essentially, it operates as a waste-to-rice dispenser, directly linking environmental responsibility with food security. The main goal of the Green Grain Hub study is to build a simple machine that helps people recycle while providing them with food. The specific goals of the project are: create a recycling machine, build a prototype that can identify and process plastic bottles and aluminium cans using a small computer, microcontroller, give rice as a reward, make sure the machine always gives out the correct amount of rice, about 100 grams, after a person puts in 10 recyclable items, encourage cleaning the environment, help people in Mabalacat City recycle more by giving them something useful in return, monitor the system, design the machine so it can keep track of how much trash it collects and how much rice it gives away, help with basic needs, use the machine to help reduce hunger and promote better waste habits in the community. Scope of the study. It promotes responsible waste disposal while offering rewards to the community. Users can deposit plastic bottles and aluminium cans into an automated dispenser, which gives them a measured amount of rice in return. The dispenser has a fully automated microcontroller system that detects, receives, and processes the accepted waste materials. Includes a monitoring mechanism to track the number of collected bottles and cans, as well as the amount of rice distributed. Limitation of the study. Restricted waste acceptance. The machine is designed to accept only plastic bottles and aluminium cans. It will not process other waste materials such as paper, food wrappers, or glass. Users must separate these items before using the dispenser. Rice supply availability. The dispenser's success relies on a reliable and steady rice supply. Any shortages caused by funding limitations, storage problems, or distribution delays may lead to inconsistent reward dispensing, which could lower user participation. Now, I will explain the conceptual framework of our study. Think of this as the roadmap that shows exactly how we built and completed the Green Grain Hub. Number 1. The planning and knowledge stage. The process starts with planning. In this step, we decided on our goals and what problems we wanted to solve. We also gathered all the knowledge and requirements we needed. This includes learning the technical skills and choosing the right hardware, like the Arduino and sensors, and software tools like the Arduino IDE. Number 2. The design stage. Next is the designing process. This is where we created the blueprint for the machine. We made diagrams and models to show how the hardware and software would work together as one single system. Number 3. The development stage. After we had a plan, we moved to the development and programming stage. This is where we actually built the machine and wrote the code, the logic. This code tells the sensors when to detect trash and tells the motor when to give out rice. Number 4. The implementation and testing stage. Once the machine was built, we moved to implementation and testing. We put the machine to work and checked if it had any problems. We ran many tests to make sure it was accurate, fast, and easy for people to use. Number 5. The deployment stage. The final step is deployment. This is when the finished and tested machine is finally put in the real world for people to use. This is the end of our project and shows that our idea really works to help the community. Conclusion. By following this framework, we ensured that every step of our project was organized and successful. Thank you. To bring the Green Grain Hub to life, we followed a clear plan called the Modified Waterfall Model. This is our methodology, which means we followed a strict, step-by-step path, from the very first idea all the way to the finished product, to make sure every part of the machine works perfectly. This organized approach allowed us to finish one phase, like planning, before moving on to the next, like building, ensuring no details were missed. Now let's move on to the hardware requirements. The hardware for the Green Grain Hub works like a team to automate the recycling process. It starts with the Arduino Uno and ESP32, which act as the brains that control everything. When a user puts in an item, the capacitive and inductive sensors identify if it is metal or plastic, while the load cell acts as a scale to make sure the bottle is empty. To keep the user informed, the LCD with I2C displays clear instructions and shows how many items have been scanned. We also included red LED indicators, a red light if an item is rejected. Once 10 items are counted by the IR sensor, the brain signals the servo motor to open the dispenser and release the rice. Finally, the ESP32 sends all this data to a mobile app so the owner can check the machine's status from anywhere. Now let's move on to our demonstration where the system will be shown on how it is working.
Good day everyone. So this is our capstone project, Green Hub. And this is a reverse vending machine na kung saan pag naglagay ka ng 10 plastic bottles or 10 metal cans, pwede ring both tigpa 5, basta total of 10 is automatic. After nun, automatic siya magdi-dispense ng approximately 100 grams of rice. So try natin. Try naman natin maglagay ng bote na may laman. Tignan natin kung tatanggapin na. Ayan, hindi niya tinatanggap. And nagbabas din siya. And dumiilaw yung red light. So, kailangan natin tanggalin. Try naman natin yung sa metal. Next, try naman natin maglagay ng metal sa plastic slab. Tignan natin ito sa ating gawin. Ayan, hindi niya tinatanggap. So, dapat plastic lang talaga. So, tanggalin natin. Try naman natin mabigat sa metal. Hindi na rin po tinatanggap. Try natin ng plastic sa metal. Hindi rin yung kinukuha. So, try natin i-complete yung 10 items. And for the last one naman, ayun, maririnig natin yung sugo. Ayun.
Timbangan. Nasa timbang di ba?
So, itong container na to is 147 grams. Try natin. So approximately ano rin siya, 100 grams. Around 90 plus grams siya. And yung mga plastic bottles and cans naman is dito siya na i-store. Pero as of now, wala pang container. So, yan yung space niya sa loob. Kapag naglalagay sila ng mga bottles, automatic siya nakahiwalay. And dito naman yung rice stock natin. Tignan naman natin yung system ngayon, yung sa loob ng system natin.
Sensya na po, nakalock siya.
And yung system. Ito yung IR sensor, which is yung nagka-count ng mga kung ilang bottles or metal cans yung na-insert natin. And dito yung mga load cell natin. Sila yung nagtitimbang kung pasok nga ba sa condition. And ito yung servo natin for metal and for plastic. Sila yung nagpapagalaw para ma-insert yung mga bottles pag na-meet nila yung condition. And ito yung power supply. Dito naka-power lahat ng mga components natin. Then ito yung inductive sensor for metal slot. Dito naman sa plastic slot is capacitive and inductive sensor. Then ito yung ating ESP32 and Arduino Uno. Naka-power sila from buck converter. Yan, para 5 volts yung steady yung nila, power. And that's all po. Ito naman yung LCD natin. Yan, dito nakalitaw yung yung count ng items na in-insert ng user, tsaka yung stock ng rice. Then ito yung LED indicator pag hindi niya tinatanggap yung item. Then dito naman sa baba, dito na lumalabas yung rice. Dito siya nagdi-dispense kapag naging 10 na yung count. Automatic lang siya magdi-dispense. And yung lalabas is approximately 100 grams. And that's all po.
Well then, until next time, goodbye. That is all. Have a good day, good night, good morning, and good afternoon.